all the events or errors that occurred during the scenario have been logged by the software. For example, at 45 seconds in, we were following too close with the following lead time of only 2 seconds. We can pause each replay and analyze what was the mistake made by the student. At this point, the student has a choice to drive in 2 lanes. One lane is beside the parked vehicles and the other lane is away from the parked vehicles, which we call the lane of least resistance. Because this student has driven in the lane beside the parked vehicles, he has encountered a dangerous situation, that being a parked vehicle opening the door. And the result is he had to make a dangerous maneuver to avoid the collision. Looking at the webcam that records the student eye movement, we can see at this intersection that although it's a green light, the student has failed to scan left, center, and right, causing him In this scenario, we have 1 lane in each direction of traffic. It is common that smaller, faster vehicles will try to overtake larger, slower trucks by coming into the oncoming lane just to pass them by. As we can see in slow motion, we have a large truck here being overtaken by a smaller, faster vehicle. Using the sketch feature of the instructor station, the instructor can explain that the student, instead of slamming on the brakes and getting on a head-on collision with this vehicle, he should have made an evasive maneuver to avoid the collision. In this scenario, we can see that at 37 seconds in, the driver has exceeded the maximum speed limit. He's going 119 kilometers per hour, whereas the maximum should be 100 or 105. Then at 43 seconds into the scenario, the student has been marked for following too closely, lead time of only 1 second. Again, at 55 seconds in, still he is following too close. And the result was he was unable to brake in time when the car ahead of him made a sudden stop.